Ever wonder if you can set up a template so that you can do those videos you do over and over so much easier? Well, here goes. Start a new project. I'm going to go into library and just going to find a video that works. I'm going to do this YouTube welcome here. I'm going to enter that one there. I'm going to add that to the project. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of shrink it, put it up in this area a little bit. And I'm going to add an image of myself. I'm going to scroll down here and let's see, photos. I'm going to take this one right here and I'm just going to enlarge it to fit. And I'm going to bring it the whole length of the video there. And you could, of course, change that to how long you need it. Then I'm going to remove the background, do auto removal. If you have the Capcut Pro, it's going to accept that. So what I'm going to do is just add some things that I want to use for every video. So one thing is here, I'm going to add in an animation to open. So here I'm going to do a slide right, and I'm going to adjust that to about there. Then out, I'm also going to do slide right, so it slides out at the end, and I'm good with that. Then just to take up some space here and give you some ideas, I'm going to add a filter. So I'm going to go with that one right there. Go with enhance. It's just going to help brighten my image a little bit. Then I'm going to come in and add some effects to the video. I'm going to add some shake. There we go. I'm going to accept that. And I'm actually going to duplicate it, and I'm just going to put it at the end here. So if I'm coming in on the motorcycle, I'm going to want it shaking when I'm going out too. So I'm going to stop it right about there because that's where I stop. And I start moving right about there. And then I'm going to add in a few more effects here. All right, I'm going to add in TV off for the end. And we'll just put that down there. Let's add some flash. I'm going to go ahead and add another type of flash, infrared lights. You can see that one attached itself to the main video. So I'm actually going to change that. I'm going to go object and put it on the overlay. And then I'm going to add some text right about there. Well, I can go to add text. And if I go over to presets, I already have some set to go. I'm going to pick that one and I'm going to change the style. I'm going to first get rid of the background, make it a little bit smaller, center it, change the name, Alan Curtis Media. I'm going to do some animations. So I'm going to do pop up at the beginning, out. Let's look for blow up. There we go. If I go to preset, all I have to do is what I've done right there is just hit save a preset and it will save that current setting I have on that text. So next time I come into it, I can do the same thing. I see it saved there as presets 0. So I'm going to accept that. And now I have this video. I'm going to extend that out a little bit. There we go. So then what I'll do is I will X out of that and it will save my project. I can find the project there right on top. I go to the 3 dots. What I can do is rename this. And I'm going to type in open template, confirm, go to the 3 dots again. And I'm going to do duplicate. So now I have a copy of that. And anytime I want to come in here, I can go ahead and delete that. And I can add in another one. I go to library. Let's do YouTube welcome again. We'll go with that one this time. We'll adjust it to the same length here. Oh, that's as long as it is. You can adjust the length of the other ones, but now I have this one here. So that is how you do your best to create a template in Capcut.